Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. It's Homesteading with Sadie. Today's video is going to be another video on our 100-day whole food healthy eating 100-day challenge with K&A's Family Homestead. If you don't follow K&A, I'll link his channel below. But I also just wanted to know that I feel like I'm kind of turning into a cooking channel, and I'm not. We have some upcoming videos. Bob's actually building me something for my soon-to-be craft room. He also built something for the dogs. I'm going to be editing those. We have a camper remodel video that I need to edit and put out there. And also we're going to do an update on our land search. We've been searching, if you've been with us for a while, you know we've been searching for some land. So I'll give you an update on that coming. And of course we'll have our, she likes to hold my hand. Of course, we'll have some gardening, upcoming seedlings and stuff like that videos. But today's video is going to be about the Healthy Food Challenge and what we ate for the week. So let me take you through the 5 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, let me take you through the 5 days of what we had this week. And stay tuned to the end because the puppies have a surprise for you. Well, a surprise for the puppies have been working on something today, and I'm going to show you at the end of this video what they have been doing this morning. So thank you for watching. So on Sunday I made a homemade pizza crust, and then what we did was chop up all the vegetables. Bob had pesto for his base, and I actually found a pizza sauce that was made with all natural ingredients, no preservatives, no natural flavors, just garlic, tomatoes, salt and pepper. And it was really good and actually affordable. I bought it at Walmart. And here's our pizzas. They were really good. On Tuesday, we had a portobello, mushroom, and quinoa burger. So they fried up in the pan really nicely. I also made an attempt at potato chips. Didn't work out well, but they tasted fine. And then I added some grapes to my plate. And on Tuesday, I made homemade sushi. So this was my first time making sushi, and I'll let you see how that went. So this being the first time making my sushi, it turned out really well. A few tips: the serrated bread knife cuts through the wraps the best, and keep a bowl of clean water to keep dipping your hands in, because it is a sticky rice and the whole process is just really messy. But here's my sushi, and it turned out really good. So on Wednesday, we did the black bean tacos again. It is one of my favorites. And instead of struggling with the taco shells, homemade, I just purchased the crunchy shells this time and added some strawberries to my plate. On Thursday, I took all the leftover vegetables, threw them in my Instapot, and made a vegetable soup. And then Friday, we had a sweet potato taco. I made the salsa homemade and the guacamole is homemade. It was actually really delicious. All right, so it's an absolutely beautiful Saturday today. The sun is shining. It has been raining all week and just been cold and miserable. So let me show you what Coco and Sadie have been working on. Hey, Gypsy. Oh, so here is what Coco and Sadie have been working on. This hole is a crater. Come here. I think Coco thinks she's a chicken and is trying to take a sand bath. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the bell for notifications, and we will see you on the next video.